of air and attend to these few nimble lines. Sing you a song about spinning, it was a good trade in its time. Some spun worsted and yarn, and others they spun flax and tow. By experience, me friends, you will learn how the wheels of the world, how they go. William Pitt, he was a great spinner, and so was Lord Castlereagh. Spun out the Union for Ireland, to England they shipped it away. But Pitt spun out his existence, then took a long trip on a boat. Castlereagh saved the distance by splitting the rim off his throat. Napoleon was a great spinner, he freedom did always advance. Deserts and high rocky mountains, he marched with the brave sons of France. Old Wellington, he went a spinning, his wings they were at Waterloo. If Grouchy had never been bribed, all the French would have split him in two. John Mitchell, that true son of Erin, declared that a spinner he'd be. And his dear native land to set free. But John, that crafty old tyrant, at spinning he was fully bent. To Van Diemen's land all the sons of old Ireland were sent. Spinners, their wheels they are turning away. Now they are wanting their hands to work 13 hours a day. They don't give a thing for the poor, they ignore their cries or their moans. Don't give a damn if you work till you've spun all the flesh from your bone. The rich, they are all famous spinners, that we are all very sure. Driving a plan how to crush down the rags of the poor. So if you're compelled to go spinning, let each of your spindles be steel. Let liberty then be your motto, and glory will turn your big